In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image black and white in Canva. So we're just going to start by creating a new design. You can then click on Uploads in the left-hand side, and you'll need to go and upload the image that you want to convert into black and white. Now, once you have your image, mine's this one here, you can simply drag it over to your project like so. So in order to go and make this black and white, we can click on the image and then press Edit. And there's basically two ways to do this. You can either click on Adjust from the list of options, and you can go and manually turn this black and white just by reducing down the saturation. And you can also come up to the shadows and the highlights, and you can go and bring out the whites and the blacks of this image. Now, another way to do this is if you come back over to the previous window, you can then scroll down to Filters and click on See All. You can then scroll down again and you'll have an option for this black and white mono filter. So you can just go and select the one that best suits what you're looking for. And that's another way to make an image black and white. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.